Tummy time complications, how to help your baby. Now, tummy time is one of the most important milestones out there because it's one of your foundational milestones. With breathing, with sucking, these are milestones that need to be achieved, obviously, but so does tummy time. A lot of times tummy time is interrupted because of reflux or GERD. Babies today are having much more higher complications due to reflux. And sometimes, literally, you have to start here with tummy time. You're going to have to do this. Now, this is taught in my tummy time course, but you need to do that. Your child's elevated. But the reason tummy time is so important is because the spine needs to breathe. The chest needs to breathe. One of the reasons why you have GERD complications is because that chest is too tight, right? When you have a tight chest, right, where does the burp go? It goes up. It's like a volcano. And so you might have to supplement a little bit with my breathing course, not to say that your child has trouble breathing, but you really need to open up those rib cages. When you're talking to me about a 6-month-old child with tummy time complications, we're in trouble. Tummy time should really be accomplished in the first week of life. It's one of your first month milestones. By 6 months, your child should be independently sitting, just about ready to come to sitting, grabbing their feet, that they can go into those or rolling over to the left and to the right. We're looking at the complications that you have in tummy time, especially with the airplane, with the arms going out. I can tell you right now, we're really getting, it's not that we're deviating development, we're really getting behind the 8 ball. But I want the foundations to be there. I want you to start with the tummy time course so you can start to learn how to work on tummy time where it's much more advantageous, but people don't understand when something is difficult or that hurts them. Let's say I go to lay a baby down, and I just had to do video reviews this morning for a Zoom. Oh, to say that a child doesn't like tummy time, but the problem is they can't do it. No baby wakes up and says, I don't want to do my tummy time. Like, this stinks. I've got better things to do. No, they can't do it for whatever reason. And when they can't do it and they feel like they're drowning, they scream. And the scream can be horrible or they're uncomfortable. This is not a replacement. All milestones come with a quality. That quality comes with optimal development because that quality allows them to transition into the next skills. But when you have a tummy time and your child is just not getting it, right? Airplane should be like this. Your child should be like this. Airplane is not, this is a Superman skydiving out of an airplane that way. And that you should not see the arms come behind there, right? The arms want to stay here, and because that's a pre-crawl. And when they're in tummy time. And that's why tummy time is so important. You're having crawling complications. I can tell you right now you have tummy time complications. So I want to go back and have a better foundation. The Worried Parent course is great because it has all these courses in it. So you're going to go from tummy time to rolling over to grabbing the feet, pubic bone strike, and then sitting in vision. That's what you need to do. Now that sounds overwhelming. I certainly don't expect you to do this in a day. I would like you to do at least a tummy time course. You can get that on its own, but I want a follow-up video within a week to show me that you're working on it and we're making changes in the tummy time because, we're about to get vertical with milestones and you're not, and it needs to be worked on. Thanks.